Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 10th of January. And first of all, national news. BIS published standards for USB Type-C charging ports cables. Religious conversion, a serious issue, should not be given political color. Supreme Court. Supreme Court rejected PIL, challenging states setting up committees for introducing uniform civil code. 267 trains cancelled due to heavy fog, poor visibility, railways. Clarify if IPS officers' concurrence is needed to impanel him for DGP appointment, Supreme Court told to MHA. At Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, PM Modi said Indian diaspora is country's brand ambassador should amplify its message. BSF caught 132 people, including 41 Bangladeshis and 30 Rohingyas, for trans-border crimes in Meghalaya. Supreme Court asked Centre to clear areas under OROP till March 15. Deeply concerned democratic traditions must be respected. PM Modi on Brazil violence. NTPC denied project link to Joshimath subsidiary. Records showed a long history of breaches. In sinking Joshimath, 600 houses evacuated after survey via satellites. Go first flight took off without 50 passengers, alleged flyers on Twitter. Joshimath subsidence, IIT Ropar researchers predicted surface displacement in 2021, claimed Institute. Doordarshan content to be overhauled, emphasis on original programming, Prasar Bharati CEO Gaurav Dwivedi. Now international news. Thailand reversed COVID vaccination entry rule for visitors. Russia condemned Brazil riots, fully supports President Lula. Western arm will only prolong suffering of Ukrainians, Russia. Biden under pressure to end Bolsonaro's Florida stay after Brazil riots. China said life is moving forward in new phase of COVID response. Pakistan risked extraordinary misery after floods without global help. UN. Chinese rushed to renew passports after COVID border curbs lifted. Ex-President Bolsonaro condemned Brazil riots by supporters, denied rule. Joe Biden visited US-Mexico border for first time as president. And now some sports news. Petra Kvitova won Battle of Wimbledon champions at Adelaide. Novak Djokovic Nick Kyrgios to play Australian Open practice match. Roberto Martinez named as Portugal coach. BCCI gave reason for pulling Jasprit Bumrah out of Sri Lanka ODI. PV Sindhu returned from injury as Indian shuttlers look to shine in season opening Malaysia Open. I have not given up on T20 format. We'll see after IPL, Rohit Sharma said. Now, business related news. Sensex Nifty jumped 1.5% on hopes Fed may slow down pace of rate hikes. Rupee gained 29 paise to close at 82.37 against US dollar. Srinagar likely to host G20 tourism meet in May. New investment proposals up 71% in 2022 as economy strengthened. Australian share end at over 2-week high on minus energy boost. CEO of Turkey's top bank said capital boost to help it drive economy in 2023. Malaysia pledged to invest in Indonesia's new capital Nusantara. Now news from science and technology. Popular bird species grows brain tissues to survive brutal winter. Webb telescope captured Milky Way like galaxies from a much younger universe. Scientists developed a cool new method of refrigeration, low-calorie cooling. And that's all in news. Thank you.